Don't miss out. These metaverse investments will make you rich in 2022. How surprised will you be at knowing that people all over the world are investing millions to purchase virtual plots of land in the metaverse? Oh yes, you heard it right. These are not real, tangible lands, but virtual or digital plots of land. Not understanding why the craze over digital lands is insane? Well, by the end of this video, you will know why metaverse investments in certain crucial sectors are going to make you super wealthy in this very year. If we go by what Goldman Sachs analyst Eric Sheridan had said about this concept, Metaverse is going to be an $8 trillion market in the coming days. In today's video, we will share with you the most profitable areas for investment in the Metaverse, so that you can materialize your dream of being rich in 2022 itself. With that being said, welcome to Metaverse World. Before we go deeper into the details, press the like button and tap the subscribe button to stay notified of the new videos we upload here. Come on, let's now get into the discussion. Types of Metaverse investments. First, let's see what are the various types of investments available in this 3D space of AR/VR. Direct Metaverse investments. If you wish to invest in resources of Metaverse directly, you can go for Metaverse tokens, in-game NFTs, or blockchain game investments, and virtual lands sold in the form of NFTs. Let's have a look at the forms of direct investments in Metaverse in greater detail. Number 1. Metaverse Crypto in-game NFTs. Metaverse is gaining traction as several global brands are rushing towards investing in this space and attempting to bag as hefty profits as possible. This space has immense potential to turning lucrative, else why would global brands have hurried into entering this VR world as fast as possible? Metaverse platforms such as Decentraland, Second Life, and Axie Infinity are emerging as highly profitable areas because their cryptocurrencies are going to hold great value in the market. These metaverse-like platforms have come up with crypto tokens that are going to have great value in the market. These tokens can also be used to purchase lands in the metaverse. Let's see what these are. Decentraland, Mana, M-A-N-A. Welcome to the absolute VR space where users indulge in buying and selling, as well as managing virtual property that is known as land. M-A-N-A is the native crypto token of the Decentraland blockchain game. This token has a market cap of $6 billion. Owning Mana is a must if you wish to enjoy playing this game and avail of various services in this gaming environment. And of course, if you wish to purchase land, owning Mana is a must. Anyway, Mana itself is a highly valuable asset that can make you rich in unimaginable ways. The Sandbox, Sand. The Sandbox is yet another metaverse platform that lets digital avatars play games, manage the virtual property, and control other precious assets. It has got its own native token called Sand that lets you own digital lands, purchase virtual in-game items and services, etc. You can even stake the token to earn exciting rewards. By using Sand, you can even design your own game. This highly precious Sand is worth paying attention to. Since the token is backed by a robust Ethereum blockchain, you can expect it to be highly safe and secure. Axie Infinity, AXS. Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game of Metaverse and has got its governance token of AXS. Talks are going on to upgrade the application of AXS so that these can be used to buy other assets and digital goods and services. For now, if you own AXS, you will be eligible to vote on crucial decisions that are going to have repercussions on the digital ecosystem of Axie Infinity. According to Wallet Investor, AXS is an awesome long-term investment, and by the end of 2022, its worth is going to reach skyrocketing heights. A good token you should consider for an investment. What say? Number 2. Metaverse Virtual Lands. As global giants are participating in the race to claim a lion's share in the profits of land purchase sale, Metaverse real estate, or virtual plots of land, have emerged as great sources of investment. The gold rush for Metaverse land is insane. Metaverse platforms of the Sandbox and Decentraland have already started selling digital real estate properties in the form of NFTs. Once you purchase a virtual plot of land in Metaverse, the robust blockchain network powering that specific Metaverse platform gives a stamp of verification and brands the land that is owned by you. Once you own digital plots of land in the Metaverse, you can use these in any profitable way you'd like. For instance, you can rent out the virtual property to other big firms or digital creators and charge a good amount for them. You may even consider reselling the property at a higher price to enjoy the profit. What is awesome is that you can even use this land to conduct virtual shows, concerts, museums, galleries, exhibitions, and much more. Metaverse real estate has a great potential of fetching you awesome profits. Let's give you an example. Recently, a Japanese video maker named Atari had invested in 20 parcels of virtual land in Decentraland and used the lands to develop his own property of crypto casino. He is even planning to launch a grand hotel complex, of course a virtual one, by 2022. Similarly, you too can purchase digital plots of land and use these to build any sprawling property you wish. Then, sit back and enjoy the hefty profits coming from this space. Pavia, Decentraland, Axie Infinity, and the Sandbox are some good Metaverse platforms hosting great land sales. So you can just check these out. Metaverse-related stocks. Investing in the stocks of the companies that are related to the Metaverse is undoubtedly a good idea. But as it goes without saying that any form of investment comes with its own risks. So yes, it is advisable that you do a little research before pouring your wealth into a specific stock. Let's have a look at the top Metaverse stocks that may prove to be quite profitable in the long run. Roblox. Roblox is a popular Metaverse platform that features loads of interactive games. Here, you can even design and share VR worlds with other users of Roblox. It came into being in 2006, and since then, it has emerged as a sprawling community of about 9.5 million game developers. You can keep track of its performance in the market and accordingly decide to invest in it. Nvidia. Nvidia is quite a good Metaverse stock, and it would be prudent enough to track its performance in the market. Its graphics processing units, or GPUs, are excellent and act as the fuel to the displaying of realistic images in video games. Metaverse is going to exist in a better state thanks to the advent of the GPUs of Nvidia. The company generated a great revenue of $16.7 billion last year. Guess what the best thing is? Nvidia stock's worth is going to escalate to $250 billion by 2023. So you just can't miss out on this awesome stock. Unity Software. Unity Software is a great company that is responsible for the development of graphics that are visible in the space of Metaverse. The critical success of Metaverse is intertwined with Unity Software services. It is expected that the company is now going to generate a revenue of about $1.8 billion. With the development of Metaverse, Unity Software's growth is inevitable. Keep a good check over its stocks in the market. So, how excited are you to get rich this year? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you found this video helpful, make sure you have pressed the like button and tapped the subscribe button to stay informed of the videos that we upload here at Metaverse World. Strategize your investment plans in the Metaverse and get ready to become wealthy like anything. We will soon be back with yet another awesome video. Till then, goodbye. See you in our next grand video.